There are 8.1 billion people living on our planet, and billions of people need food to sustain life in this habitat. Fortunately, we have altruistic farmers who care about us and strive to provide food. Thanks to these farmers who continue to produce by adopting sustainable, smart agricultural practices and using water consciously, our future is safe. As Atlantis Smart Irrigation Systems, we encourage the conscious use of resources and care about the value of every drop. The smart systems we have been developing for years to find solutions to the water crisis not only save water, but also increase the productivity of crops and continue to stand by our farmers. Every crop, every harvest is a step towards planetary sustainability. We are proud to support the labor of our farmers around the world. Atlantis, Center Pivot and Linear Systems.